Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts, south 20 nautical miles. Ocean waters from Provincetown to Nantucket from 20 to 35 nautical miles offshore. Ocean waters from the Merrimack River to Plymouth from 40 to 60 nautical miles offshore until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles north of Truro, or 12 nautical miles northeast of Provincetown, moving east at 20 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for Cape Cod Bay, coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts, south 20 nautical miles until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Wellfleet Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wellfleet Harbor, Nauset Light, the coastal waters east of Cape Cod and northeastern. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. The current time is 6:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National